They sync up with the sound of your voice.
What's up guys, it's ģ쏘ᴜᴇ, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my new room because I moved recently, and I'm going to be showing you like the process of me putting it together because I feel like that's something kind of fun like that you guys would like, and you guys have been asking me for a room tour for like forever. So right now I'm going to show you what I have going on currently, and then I'm going to do a time lapse and just show you me like putting shit up. This is the door to my room. And then these are like the light switches. I'm still not really sure how they work. I don't know why, I just can't really figure it out. And these are weird light switches. I've never seen them like this before. And then I have my tattoo needles and like shit right there, and this little box for like my ink, and a light box. I have a little Care Bear and some pins, and then that's where I keep my camera. And this is like this weird GoPro thing, I don't know. And this is the blanket I got for my birthday. But I have this nice little ottoman, and I put all my Care Bears there. I want to put the net back up, but I'm not really sure if I should. This is my bed. I have yet to make it, but you're going to see me make it soon. And I'm really excited to do that. I'm also going to put my tapestries back up because I really need those back. There's my trash can. And also, this is my mirror. I love putting my backpacks like up on stuff. Here's the net for the Care Bears, and there's my purse. But this right here is my closet. Those are all my shoes. I got Care Bear coloring books. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this video. Okay, so a little time passed. I went to Walmart and I got some command strips to hang all of my tapestries up. So now you're gonna watch me hang up my tapestries. So I've been on like a break for a pretty long time now, maybe like an hour or something, but I'm just like really sad right now, and I don't know why. I just kind of feel like everyone's against me right now, and I don't know why. Like, not even like people I know. I just kind of feel like things are against me right now. Like, it just feels like life is cheating me. And so had my break. I had a good little cry. Hoping I'll feel better later. I mean, I don't know, but I really want to focus on like meeting some of my goals this year, because I do have like a few goals that I've been trying to reach for a long time, and my life just feels really empty right now. So I think I need to like start doing shit and like doing stuff about that, because I don't think I can continue feeling this way for much longer. It just really sucks. And I think I should get a job soon, because like I've been wanting to get a job forever. Like since I was 12, I was like, where can I work? But yeah, I really do. I want to get a job, and I want to just do things that make me feel good, because I don't know, I just kind of go with the flow all the time, and I do things that make other people feel good and not really like me. I mean, I do feel like good when I do things that make other people feel good, but I never know what makes me feel good, so it's not even like I can make suggestions to what like we should do, but I need to start figuring out what does make me feel good, because like I don't know, I just need some guidance right now. Anyways, that's my little check-in. I think I'm gonna go back to putting stuff up for right now. What's up, guys? It's been a bit since like I've updated, and I finally got my room together, so I'm about to show you that. But I'm sorry I didn't like record more of me putting stuff up, but yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you my room now. Well, here's the door, still same as before. It's my fucking ring light, and the tapestry I hung up, and my mirror. And then we have my desk. I decided to move the trash can over here, and I have this little camera bag there. And then have all my tattoo stuff there, and like, yeah, and some camera stuff over there. And I have, you know, my ottoman. I love her. And then my bed. I love my bed. It's so comfy. But so my guitar has like stayed in the same place all throughout this, and like the purse is on the wall, but I put up, you know, this tapestry. I'm pretty sure you saw me do that, and like this one, and then the leaves. I want to get some more leaves so it's not so awkward over here. And then the Care Bear one, and I put up these lights. They look much better in the dark. Hold on. See, and then they sync up with the sound of your voice. So I think that's pretty cool. And then I have this, my friend Grace painted this for me, and I fucking love it. And then I put up the Hello Kitty tapestry, and later on I do want to put some other like paintings or like records and stuff there. But yeah, so that's my room. It's pretty basic. And then like my closet, that's a hellhole. I accepted that I'm never gonna fucking like clean my closet like ever in my life, you know. It's always gonna be like there are clothes there on the floor, and I'm just gonna have to deal with it. But anyways, thank you for watching. I know you guys have been like asking for a long time to see what my room looks like, and finally you can see. Now all of this stuff, I got like the tapestries, they were either on Amazon or Etsy, and all the lights are from Amazon. Yes, I'll see you in the next video.